wanting to put Summer into gymnastics with the other girls, but she does not have a leotard, and as you know, Kaylee doesn't either. The other girls have bathing suits as leotards. This one's Mallory's. And I don't have enough bathing suits for all of them to use as leotards, so I thought that it would be fun to try and make some leotards for Summer and Kaylee. And I'm gonna try and use my So Cool sewing machine to do this. And I've got like some extra fabrics. So these are actually the exact same kit, but whatever. So we are gonna try and make some leotards for the girls today. I think this is gonna be really fun. The material I'm using isn't really stretchy like this, but this is actually quite big for Summer, so I think if hers isn't stretchy, it won't really matter because like it's kind of big. For Kaylee, she might need a stretchy one, so I might make it a little bit bigger, or if I can get like one of the ones that I make onto like Mallory because she's smaller, then Kaylee can use this one. But yeah, I'm just gonna be trying to make 2 leotards using my So Cool sewing machine. So I'm using this as a pattern, that's why I have it with me. And the whole process is probably just gonna be sped up, like just me making it. But yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to try, and maybe you guys wanted to watch. So yeah, let's get started. I'm so excited.
I'm using this one for Summer and this one for Kaylee. I am seeing if I can fit 2. Yeah. Now I will trace it. The pins are really helping. I will sew it inside out, so it will be neater. Don't sew, don't sew, don't sew. Don't sew.
back over it a few times just to reinforce it, but it's time to flip it right side out. So, ooh, I'm scared I'm gonna like break it. So far the seams are pretty good. Again, it's not very stretchy, but I think this pattern's really cute and Summer's gonna look adorable in it. I was gonna do, there's just a color that's just this, because she does like light blue. It's kind of greenish, but I thought she'd like that. But then I thought this pattern was cuter. I cannot wait to try this on her. I'm also gonna see if I can possibly slip Kaylee or Mallory into it before I try and make another one, because it might not be worth it making another one. But I'm going to bring this downstairs and I'm gonna test for the moment of truth to see if she actually fits in it or not. I already took Summer out of her clothes just for the interest of time. So, alrighty. Looks like it could fit her. It actually looks like bigger than this. It seems like the same size. Alright. I don't know if it'll fit with her diaper. Oh my gosh. I've never actually made any clothes with this. I think I need to make a slit down the back. I'm gonna cut one. Alright, I just cut this small slit. I might have to make it bigger. I should have brought the scissors. Okay. Oh, her legs are going in. I hope I don't rip it. It's a little tight. I don't know if I'll be able to get this. Oh, it's already ripping. All right, yeah, she's ripping it. She ripped it. I can try. Oh. All right, so she did rip it, but kind of fits. Not really. It doesn't look very cute. I'm definitely not making another one. But that was nice to try. Now I know. So I might fix it, but yeah, so now I know it does not work. Alright guys, so I have concluded that you definitely need stretchy fabric if you're going to make like clothes that don't have Velcro or anything. Like, you're definitely gonna need stretchy fabric. I just realized she can wear her romper. I am so dumb. Okay, so she's gonna wear her romper to gymnastics. It's settled. Kaylee will wear what she's been wearing. Why are my fingers like this? Oh, from touching the marker. Okay, so yeah, she completely ripped to the side. I might fix it back together, but she won't be able to wear it. But I still might fix it, or I'm probably just gonna save it anyway, because I can always like cut this up and use it for parts if I need to. Not parts, like pieces like of fabric. So yeah, the shout out for this video goes to, hold on, Hannah Chan. So shout out to you. Bye.